going on? It's your boy Loren the Barber, and I'm back with another episode. It's another episode of the unboxing, or the unpacking like I call it. And today we have a new product, a new foil shaver. You know, something special, man. It's just to get those real bald tight fades. You know, stuff like that. People like to get their face real bald as if they were getting a shave with a razor. But everybody can't take a razor, so it's usually they can take either, or they can either take a razor or they can take a shaver. You know, so these are definitely something that you want to keep on in your arsenal. So we have the Babyliss Pro Foil FX02. It's cordless. It's the double foil shaver, and it also has a lithium-ion battery. I'm sure of that. I didn't see it yet on here, but I'm sure. But we'll get around to it. Let me show y'all the box first. That's what the box looking like. All right. That's the side of the box. That's the back of the box. All right. That's the other side of the box. All right. So, like I said, Babyliss Pro Foil FX02. That means the 2 shaver. They have the 01, I believe. That's the one shaver. The one foil on there as the shaver. So let me read the back of the box. It's you can use it with the cord or cordless. It's a metal double foil shaver. Like I said, we have the hyperallergenic gold foils, offset double foil system. We have the metal housing, and this is chrome. We have the auto cover shut off. Cordless. It's up to 3 hours run time. That's a lot of time. And if we have hold on. I think they say they have a replacement foils and cutter in here. I believe that's what they're saying. We'll see. And it has a storage pouch included. That's great. I'm kind of excited about that. We have okay, and it comes with a 2-year warranty, and that's great. And I also suggest to get the extended warranty when you go and buy your products, or any product, because these clippers are really costly and things just happen. So I have bought these from Cosmoprof, and I don't have the receipt with me, or do I? Let me check. Yeah, we came in luck. Yep, so actually we came in luck. I have the receipt and the foil, and the warranty. I paid $139.98, and that includes, well, actually it was $140, and then plus $8 tax. It's a total of $148.08. I paid $119.99 for the shavers and $19.99 for the assuring and protection plan. So that's the warranty. So a total of, like I said, $148.08. So let's get right to opening it up. All right. Comes in plastic. The manual fell out. Anybody that's, you know, a hair geek, shout out to, what's the girl's name downtown? Downtown Akron, look her up, the Hair Geek Studio. Shout out to her. But if you're a hair geek, read the instructions. I never tell nobody not to read the instructions. You know, I usually freestyle, I ain't gonna lie. When I get the clippers, I usually freestyle and go for it. I've been in the game for a long time. But it comes in the foggy plastic, and look at it. Man, it kind of look like a lighter. It's like one of them old school lighters. A big one though, but all chrome. This is kind of dope. Open that baby up. Let me get y'all up close. Matter of fact, up close. You see it at the bottom. It has the Babyliss Pro on the bottom, all chrome. These babies kind of cold for real. They have you feeling like you're doing something, like you somebody with these in your hand. All right. Take that top off. We have the 2 foils. The other one comes with just one of these lines right here. That's the 01, I believe, but I have the 02. This comes with the double foil. That's just for the extra ball. You know, whatever this first one missed, that second one gonna catch. So I had to give you that extra ball head. And I'm gonna do a demonstration later using these actually with one of my fellow barbers, my guy Eric Manley. So
Yeah.
that's my guy right there. And the Sandman, my guy Sanford Taylor, man. Shout out, look at my comedy section and look at the Chronicles of the Sandman. That's my guy. I give him a nice ball fade, and we always hit him on the side with the shavers. Get him extra crispy, extra ball. So this is the charger that comes with it. Looks like the regular Babyliss charger for all of the other Babyliss clippers that I have. So just at the bottom of it, let me see. Let me get this thing off of here. Man, giving me trouble over here. Well, you know what? We don't need to do that. But I'm gonna tell you this. It looks like a long cord. It looks like a long cord that gives you some length. If it wasn't such a hard thing to do, I'd take it off for you, but I did it. All right, it's a long cord. I almost got everything off, but I'm not gonna waste too much time. But y'all see how it is, man. It's a long cord. We got a lot of it bunched up there. Cord goes into the bottom. This is what the bottom looks like. Cord goes right into it, right there. Plug that baby up, charge it up. Let me see if it tells us how long it takes to charge up. I know it has 3 hours run time though. Well, it don't tell me how long it takes to charge it up, but once it's charged up, it runs for 3 hours. So what else we have in here? Everything else is just the instructions, so I'll pretty much go over how to use them while I'm using them. So y'all see in my demonstration. But simple as that. It's your boy Loren the Barber. Make sure you follow me on all of my social media sites. Everything is Loren the Barber. Instagram is Loren the Barber _ LORENTHEBARBER_. Then everything else is just straight out Loren the Barber. That's Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, YouTube, of course, and Twitter. All right, so like, subscribe, and share this video. And I'll see y'all later.